Okay guys, so yeah, so as some of you guys know, we've had this engine on the channel like a year or 2 years ago, whatever it was, and that's how we did the first Will It Start video. And now we complete. Grandpa, you got the points working on it. You got it running really good now. It runs really good. And what have you all done to it? You did the points, got the carburetor now. And
Float adjustment.
Yeah, float adjusting, you got all kinds of stuff. The only major thing we have to do on this thing yet is get the fuel pump working. Because that's what we have to tie the thingy up there, the gas tank. So I'm trying the fuel pump working, that'll make it look good. And how long has this been sitting? How long has it been sitting for?
Over 30 years.
Yeah, over 30 years. Now it's finally running perfect. And we painted that. Why it looks so nice is we painted, Grandpa painted it up, he painted it nice and red. And I'll show you guys that. Painted it nice and red. Nicely painted. Oh wow, it almost fired first time, dang. Wow, that thing runs great. Guys, I'll show you it all. Oh, Grandpa, you got something leaking. I think it's water.
It's okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, it's overflow hose. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that thing runs great. Runs awesome, man. It sounds good. Yeah, idle's nice. Yeah, nice. Man, that thing's awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, this is on an American Austin chassis right now. We got it to fit. And then we might put this differential from a Chevy truck, or Chevy something or another. I think it's from a Tri-5 Chevy. We're going to try to put that on there. So. Runs amazing. It charges the battery then? No, battery doesn't charge. Generator needs fixed? Okay.
Now you look at it.
Yeah. Like on the cooler, the bushings or something bad there, maybe. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Huh?
I don't know why I missed it when I do the throttle up.
Yeah, it's weird. we first tried to start it, the idle was horrible and it was bad. When we first tried to start it, man. Wowie. And then we might put it in the Bantam over there, the 1938, right? 38 Bantam, is that what that is? Yeah, 38 Bantam. We might put this thing in there with the rear axle from the Tri-5 Chevy we think that's from. We have to make a custom drive shaft, and then we need a pressure plate for that thing yet. So yeah, if you guys know where one of those are, we would probably need that. But yeah, this thing runs really nice, wow. And we got the truck, the Ford truck radiator, it's huge. That's JB welded. So yeah, so I guess we'll see what happens next to this thing, and I'll keep you guys updated on this engine.